First, I want to bring in Ines Ferre for a look at the artificial intelligence company C3.ai, because Ines, not to be left out, they're making some pretty big waves themselves for their IPO.
That's right. This is an AI software company based out of California. It went public today, pricing its IPO at $42 a share. And just check it out. Right now, the shares are trading at just above $91, seeing more than 100% pop on its first day of trading. This is a company in which Microsoft has invested money in. They have a partnership since 2018. And of course, today's IPO really paid off for Microsoft as well. But this really also highlights, Alexis, like what you were mentioning, the euphoria around IPOs this year, a record year for IPOs, for SPACs, and just the investor enthusiasm around software, around tech, around delivery platforms. So all sorts of IPOs that have really soared this year.
All right. Also want to talk a little Disney. It got an analyst upgrade at Wells Fargo a day before its investor day. Tell us why that analyst is so bullish on Disney right now.
Right. Well, the analyst is saying that Disney is making the jump into the streaming hyperspace, pulling together really the Disney brands and also live sports in the next 4 to 5 years. That's why he's so bullish on the stock, with an overweight rating, raising it from equal weight. And I just want to show you what happened with Disney stock today. If we just take a look at our Wi-Fi interactive board, we saw earlier today Disney seeing new highs. And right now, because of the overall markets, it's up about just 0.4%, but it was up earlier more than 2%. Right now, hovering around $154 a share, Alexis.
All right, I'm taking a look at semiconductor stocks, because I know that overall big tech's getting slammed today. We've got the NASDAQ off more than 2% right now, but the semis are holding on. Qualcomm, I guess, a big mover to the upside today. What's the story there?
Yeah, Cowen putting an outperform rating on Qualcomm, raising its price target to $180 from $170, also naming the company one of the best ideas of 2021. And all of this being centered around 5G and expanding 5G share, and also talking about its radio frequency content growth and a strong 5G iPhone units. So all based on 5G, really getting a boost from this analyst note today from Cowen. Now, as far as the stock is concerned, if we just take a look at what's happening with semis today, some of these semis today were actually off, but Qualcomm had managed to be in the green. Now it's down about 1.5%, but this is also because the overall markets really took a downturn in the afternoon or midday.
Yeah, we started the show by saying it's been a roller coaster ride for investors today, and it continues to be. But I want to shine a spotlight on Uber, because I know that at least earlier today, it hit a record high. And I guess it's pretty appropriate given the fact that its rival DoorDash is having one spectacular Wall Street debut.
Yeah, that's right. Because of that, and also because Uber is launching Uber Connect, and this is a delivery service with a delivery service in more than 2,400 cities and towns. And it's a same-day delivery service where packages will be delivered via this Uber Connect. So this stock really seeing a pop today, up more than 4%. However, as you just mentioned, because of the overall markets, also the stock down a bit, but earlier, it was up more than 4% at an all-time high.